when you solve for the missing angle and added all those angle measures up, it gave you the same thing every time. I think Jaquay knew this heading into the lesson. She was solving questions differently than just measuring them out. Did anybody notice what they summed up to? Jermaine, what do you notice? What did you notice that angle measures summed up to them? What was that? Well, if you added them all up, what did you get? Ariana, what did you get?
360.
Jaquay, is that what you got? So, Jaquay, what were you doing earlier in the lesson? Everybody's tracking Jaquay.
I did 360 minus 55 minus 100 and minus 120.
Okay, so you knew that you could start with 360 degrees and take away the other angles to get the missing angle. Can you show us really quickly on this problem here how we can do it without a protractor?
So if you don't do all the subtraction, then you can add 70 plus 70 plus 110 and subtract all of that.
What did you get when you added those three up?
I mean,
What did you get?
so for 250,
250. Okay. And then what do we do with that 250?
subtract it from 360.
Okay. And so we know that the missing angle x is equal to what? 110 degrees. Okay. So this is a technique beyond your protractor. We actually don't even need a protractor to figure out the angle measure of x if we're given the other three angles. Turn your page. Fluency. Still only 2 minutes. Think this is the toughest one of all. I actually want to let you guys compete against some of your other teachers with this skill because I think you guys will cream them and they will be amazed. So at the end of this week, we're going to actually have you practice against your teachers, in particular Mr. Hartman, probably Mr. Kozar. You got 2 minutes. See how many you can get done. This one's tough. If you're on pace to finish, you need to be done with one column. The middle column is a doozy. Pencils down, 3, 2, and 1. Trade with the person sitting next to you. I want to show you a specific way I want you to check these ones. So when you get the persons next to you, draw a line down this middle, or just to the right of where they put all their answers. Then draw another line, and then draw a third line. And any time your teammate had one wrong, write the correct answer just next to it. Don't worry about Xing them out. I want them to be able to see the ones that they got wrong just to the right. From the top, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. 1/3, 1/3, 2/3. We're at 2/8. Should be 1/4, 3/10, 1/10, 1, 3/4, 0, 1/4, 1/10, 1/5, 2/5. From the top, and I'll be speeding it up. 3/5, 4/5, 1/6, 1/7, 4/9, 6/7, 6/7, 3/8, 7/10, 5/8, 4, 6, 0, 1/2, 1/2. If our teammate did not get any further than this, please write in the correct answers for them. From the top, 1/2, 1/3, 1/10, 1/3, 2/9, 2/3, 2/3, 1/4, 9/10, 2/5, 3/5, 1/10, 9/10, 3/10, 4/5, 3/5. Pass it back. Tracking back this way, 3, 2, and 1. Take $1 from Isaiah for eyes. From Jermaine for eyes. Thank you to the rest of you. When you turn your page, don't turn just yet. When you turn your page, you're going to see our second review objective of the unit. That review objective is elapsed time. Yesterday, you did a phenomenal job working in groups. Phenomenal job. Okay? You're going to have 10 minutes to move back to those exact same groups, those same pairings that we did that well. Okay? And answer these 4 questions. Any questions at all, raise your hand. I want to help. I'm confident you guys can work through this review objective together.